Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth, and today I'm excited. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use contact mapping with Facebook for all your Facebook contacts. So let's get started. First thing I am going to do is I am going to find Adrian in my contact mapping app and pull him up. And so I've got him right here. He is the CEO of Contact Mapping and my friend. So I've got him right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to press this little edit button. And when I hit the edit button, I'm going to see Facebook right up here. And I'm going to put his Facebook social media handle in there. And his is Adrian.Chenault. So I'm going to just type Adrian.Chenault. Perfect. Now I'm just going to hit the save button. When I do that, you're now going to see his social media handle, Facebook, right there. And I'm going to be able to click on that and go directly over to his profile and be able to see if he's got any new posts or anything that I want to be able to, see his latest updates before I message him. And then I could just say message. And now I've got his message on top of that. Very easy to use, so simple, but it gets even better. Let's go check out the desktop. So now we're going to come over here to the desktop version. And as you can see, I'm on Adrian's page right now. Now, if I open up my contact mapping desktop version, if he was not already in here because I just added him, it would look like this, none. Well, I can easily put that same information to be able to message him directly from the app by just clicking this little button right here. Perfect, he's already in. And the amazing thing is, I can even save his notes right here. I can actually put that in as a note and save all the messages that I want to keep right there and click save. And I can actually even create a follow-up. It's that easy to utilize contact mapping with all of your Facebook contacts. And I know you're going to love it just as much as I do.